Are you insane? Are you insane? Are you insane?
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You don't push a cop. You don't push a...
I didn't.
You don't push a cop.
I didn't.
You don't do that.
Sir, I didn't.
Well, you did, and now look what happens.
On a Saturday afternoon, officers were called to a Walmart regarding a potential theft. What began as a routine shoplifting investigation would escalate into something far more serious when the subject made physical contact with law enforcement. This footage demonstrates how a minor offense can quickly compound into felony charges through a subject's own actions. Officers make contact with the subject, identified as Ashley. Store Loss Prevention has detained her regarding suspected theft of undergarments. Under merchant privilege statutes, retail establishments have limited authority to detain suspected shoplifters for a reasonable period to investigate and summon law enforcement. The subject discloses she is currently experiencing homelessness, and officers respond by mentioning safe harbor and other community resources.
I tried 2 bras on and they were too small for me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The ones you have on now, they found the tags for in the room.
Oh.
So
okay.
I guess you're gonna have to pay for them, right?
This is my bra, though. So you want me to pay for 2 bras that don't fit me?
You walked out the dressing room with the pink and a black bra you went in the bathroom. Now you coming out the bathroom with a different set of bras.
I had a black one on.
Yeah, we can't take most of that.
So the concern is that you're using the item and you're not paying for it. That's the concern, right?
Apparently, but I'm... You know what? I'll pay for it. Give me a large and I'll pay for it.
You want a large, but don't want the other bra?
So, do you have your ID? So what happened there? You obviously went in there and they weren't to your liking, right?
Yeah, and
okay.
They were too big.
Okay.
I'm sorry, they were too small. They were medium. They were too small.
Okay. And so...
And I brought out the pants, the shirts, and I got one shirt that I'm buying.
Okay. Was it like a variety pack or was it a...
It was just a black and pink and green one, I think it was.
There you go.
Thank you.
Are you living at any particular address now?
I don't. I'm
homeless currently?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm staying at St. Vegas.
Do you know? Oh, okay. What about Safe Harbor? Have you tried Safe Harbor?
I actually talked to Officer Pony about doing 10 City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's the guy to stay in contact with. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Nobody can make you pay for the things, but the thing is, if you walk out of the store and you have them on you, it would technically be theft.
I'll pay for them, but I'm gonna return them because they're not gonna fit me.
Well, that's the thing. Their concern is that you have them on you somewhere, or you left them somewhere, maybe in the bathroom. So we're just making sure.
There's no bras in here.
Okay. Well, let's show. Hey, she doesn't have them in her purse. So
yeah, I don't.
Is it the black one that you have on? The black one she has on?
No, these are mine.
What? Okay, where's the? Do you have the pink one?
No, I don't.
To prevent this whole.
I don't have the pink one. They didn't fit me.
Okay, did you leave them in the dressing room?
I brought them back out.
And where did you put them?
I set them on the counter, and then the lady asked me where they were, and I gave them to her along with the other short or the pair of pants, and the shirt, and the sweatshirt. Okay.
All right. So you don't need them then.
No, I mean how much are they? Because if they're like $25, then no, I don't. I have. This is crazy.
Well, we're just trying to understand.
They're $17.94
for 2 bras. Give me a large.
No, hold on. No. Ashley.
This pisses me off.
I know. This isn't. I'm trying to work with you. I'm on your side. I'm trying to understand the full story.
But the thing is, that lady was rude to me.
Okay. Which lady?
The black lady.
Okay.
And then she went rude to me, and then treated me like I'm a piece of shit.
Listen.
And then
we're
have
not,
800
no.
follow me when I
Just show me.
Didn't even need the bra.
Just show me where you put them, and we'll work it out.
I gave them to her.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, then if you're good.
You know what? I'll pay for the $21 bras, but I'm going to return them because I can't afford $21.
You don't need to pay for something that you didn't buy, but they were concerned because they thought you might be wearing them in the bathroom. That's all.
Okay.
That's all. And if you're not, you're not. But if you are, they just want the product back.
Where am I?
That's all. To prevent the whole theft. No.
Nope.
Ashley, don't do that. Ashley, don't.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I know I'm in public.
That's the concern. That was the only concern, okay? You don't got to get all upset.
You know, I am upset because I'm trying to grocery shop and I'm trying to get back home.
Mm-hmm. Well, we can help you get back home.
What's that? What's what? I just picked up the car.
Is road closed?
Oh, yeah. Ashley, would you happen to have this in your purse by chance? Or?
Oh, what's your phone?
You're not wearing those?
You found it? Okay, so Ashley, listen. Ashley.
Just ask. You're not wearing. That's not these.
Wearing them?
Is that these?
No, man. I just got these from the dollar store.
Okay, Ashley, the bra we were talking about is right there. So you did have it at some point and put it in the bathroom. Okay, so...
But it's not on me.
Ashley,
I'll pay for it.
you want to trespass?
Yeah.
Let's go to the front. All right, grab your bag.
I can get cookies, I can get food.
No,
I
Ashley,
can get
no.
pads.
Do you want to sign your trespass form? Nope. Okay, you're trespassed permanently.
At this point, the woman was free to leave and would only get a trespass warning, but that's not what she did. Take a look.
Ashley.
You
Ashley, no. Are you insane? Are you insane? Are you insane?
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You don't push a cop. You don't push a...
I didn't.
You don't push a
I
cop.
didn't.
You don't do that.
Sir, I didn't.
Well, you did, and now look what happens.
Hey, there's my nails too that I got.
No. Stop it.
I didn't do
Stop it.
anything.
Stop.
Sir, I didn't push you.
Yeah.
Angela. Ask Angela.
No, that was mine. I bought yesterday.
880 Echo.
Yeah, I just bought it yesterday. Sir, I'm not trying to run away from you. Please stop. She sat there and lied, and then
Nobody lied.
She did. I didn't get in her face, and I didn't push you.
You did push me.
No, I moved.
You pushed me. Now stop. This could have all been prevented.
Sir, I didn't touch her. I promise you I didn't touch her. I told you she was a racist.
So you told us that you didn't say this, but meanwhile you had it on your purse. So we're gonna charge you for this, and we're gonna charge you for the assault bra. The sports bra
Yep,
that is
one in
underneath
custody.
that one.
I'm in the
And we're
OP
gonna
office.
rewind the footage to see if you took the mascara. Now I don't want you to yell. I just want you to hear. Don't yell.
Which mascara? That's my mascara, Mama.
Okay, well we're gonna make sure. The same time that you saw that this was yours, no. We're gonna rewind it. I asked you if you took my nails. They were in my car. You said no. There they are, all over the ground with the glue.
No, those are mine. I did that on my hands.
Stop talking so much.
No, you stop lying. They're on my hands.
I know, because you glued them.
No, I didn't. I promise. I got it for $5 at the Five Below.
Oh, you said go back 3 now earlier, so make it make sense.
I didn't say anything. No, I did not. No, I did not. I got them for $5 at Five Below yesterday.
So listen, just time out. I'm gonna rewind to make sure that the mascara isn't from here. But either way, I'm gonna charge you with the sports bra because you're still wearing the fucker.
Mine.
The black one that goes with the pink one because it's at a two.
Okay, so I can't wear two bras, sports bras.
We found the pink one, but you got.
I don't care if you found the pink one. I didn't steal your bra.
Like talking to nailing Jello to a wall, talking to me.
Okay. Ashley, are you wearing one of the bras that is from the pack? Okay, it's this thick, it's the thicker one, right? Okay. Thank you for being honest.
I needed a clean bra.
Understandable. But you had money in your wallet.
I know, but it was for a room so I could take a shower.
Okay, but if you need that stuff, you need to go to the Salvation Army across the street, right?
I don't know.
They will help you.
Son, so please take me to jail. I just
will.
want you to take me to jail.
I can't yet. I
Why?
can't because I'm still doing my job. I've been nice to you up to this point.
No, sir, and I apologize to you, and I told you I didn't mean to do that.
Understandable, but it's already said and done, okay? So calm down,
So,
please.
it's already said and done. Please take me to jail.
Ashley. Hey. Ashley, are you crazy?
Let me out of here!
Ashley, stop it.
Fucking let me out!
Have a seat. Settle down.
I just want to go!
All right.
I just want to go home!
Okay, then sit down and we'll take you.
No, you're not taking me home. You just told me you weren't taking me home.
I just said we're taking you to jail. Just chill out for a minute.
I don't want to go to jail. I want to go home and lay down with my medication.
Ma'am, if you do that again, it's not gonna help you at all.
Just relax, relax.
Nothing is helping me.
And get her, or how do you want
We'll load her. I'll bring
you
this
want
to
your
you.
charges to keep racking up? You cannot do that.
Because I'm speaking up for myself.
No, because you're trying to escape and you're under arrest.
I'm not escaping. I'm asking you to please just take me so I can get the out.
Ashley,
I know,
relax.
but they still have a job to do.
I've never been to jail. What do you mean relax?
Okay, well, but you gotta calm down.
Can I hit my vape, please?
Will it help you chill?
No, my vape. No, my vape is on the...
Oh, it is.
It's on... Can you please don't forget my sweatshirt?
Are you gonna chill out?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you give it to my boyfriend, please, so that he doesn't...
Who is your boyfriend? We're gonna make sure you get what you need, okay? Just try to chill for a minute. All right, just try to chill.
I'm gonna be chilling sitting in jail all weekend.
Well, today's late Saturday. Probably be sometime Monday, okay? Just keep everything minor. Everything's minor right now, really.
Please, just let me
Maybe
go.
they may have a judge available for the weekend.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Officer, just let me go. I promise you I didn't.
All right, I'm gonna close the door, okay?
The officer clearly explains the legal standard. Petit theft, sometimes spelled P-E-T-I-T, is the unlawful taking of merchandise with intent to permanently deprive the owner. For property valued under $300 to $1,000, depending on state, this is typically a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. The merchandise here is valued at approximately $17 to $21, well within misdemeanor range. A critical development occurs when the pink bra is located in the bathroom. The subject had claimed she returned all items to store personnel. This discovery directly contradicts her statements and strengthens probable cause for theft charges. Officers also confirm the subject is wearing merchandise from the store. At this moment, she could have accepted a trespass warning and left without criminal charges. This is the moment that transforms a misdemeanor into a felony. The subject makes physical contact with an officer. Under state law, battery on a law enforcement officer is the intentional touching or striking of an officer while engaged in lawful duties. This is typically a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. One momentary action has fundamentally changed the legal landscape. The Supreme Court established in Graham v. Connor that use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. Following physical contact initiated by the subject, Officers had both legal authority and tactical justification to arrest using empty-hand control techniques. The force used to handcuff and restrain falls within acceptable parameters. The subject denies pushing the officer, but body cam footage clearly captures the contact. In battery cases, body cam footage is often dispositive evidence. During the arrest, officers discover she is wearing a sports bra matching the store's set. She eventually admits wearing store merchandise. Each discovery and admission strengthens the prosecution's case. The subject attempts to exit the patrol vehicle while under arrest. Attempting to escape lawful custody constitutes an additional criminal offense. Officers warned that her actions could result in more charges. The subject was ultimately charged with battery on an officer, petty theft, and disorderly conduct. A potential trespass warning became a felony arrest through her own actions. The responding officers receive a B-. They demonstrated patience, made multiple de-escalation attempts, and provided community resources. Their use of force was proportionate. However, the initial investigation could have been more thorough, and clearer command presence earlier might have prevented the physical contact. Ashley receives a D+. Her actions transformed a manageable situation into serious legal matter. The initial theft would likely have resulted in a trespass warning or minimal misdemeanor consequences. Instead, physical contact with an officer resulted in felony charges. Her denials, despite video evidence, and attempt to escape compounded her exposure. Now, important legal guidance everyone should understand. First, know your rights during police encounters. You have the right to remain silent under the Fifth Amendment. You can clearly state, "I am exercising my right to remain silent." You have the right to refuse searches but never physically resist. You can ask, "Am I free to leave?" If not, you are being detained. Second, understand what constitutes lawful versus unlawful detention. Store security can detain you briefly if they have reasonable suspicion of theft. Police can detain you during investigation with reasonable suspicion. You must provide identification in most states when lawfully detained. However, detention does not equal arrest. You may be released without charges. Third, never physically resist, even if you believe the detention is unlawful. Physical resistance transforms you from potential victim of rights violation into criminal defendant. If officers act unlawfully, your remedy is through the courts, not on the street. File complaints, hire attorneys, pursue civil rights claims. Physical resistance only creates additional charges. Fourth, everything you say can be used against you. Ashley's voluntary statements and admissions provided evidence for prosecution. Before arrest, you can simply decline to answer questions. After arrest, clearly invoke your rights. "I want a lawyer. I am not answering questions." Then remain silent. Do not try to explain or talk your way out. Fifth, understand the consequences of escalation. Petit theft, misdemeanor, up to 1 year jail, often resolved with diversion programs. Battery on officer, felony, up to 5 years prison, permanent criminal record. Resisting arrest, additional charges stacked on top. One moment of poor judgment can multiply legal consequences tenfold. Key lessons from this incident. Lesson 1. Never escalate minor situations. A $17 theft became potential 5-year prison sentence. Lesson 2. Body cam footage is always recording. Denying recorded actions destroys credibility. Lesson 3. Emotional control is your best legal defense. Calm compliance limits exposure. Outbursts create charges. Lesson 4. Seek help through proper channels. Homelessness and desperation are real, but theft creates criminal records that make recovery harder. Community resources exist. Lesson 5. Every decision compounds. Ashley made a chain of choices, each worsening her situation. Taking merchandise, lying about it, physical contact, attempting escape. We are architects of our own outcomes. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.